to the book of Romans chapter 8. We are starting from verse 19. It said, for the earnest expectation of the creature waited for the manifestation of the sons of God. For the creature was made subject to vanity, not willingly, but by reason of him who had subjected the same in hope. Because the creation itself shall be delivered from the bondage of corruption into the glorious liberty of the children of God. Now, going back to verse 19, he said, for the earnest expectation of the creature waited for the manifestation of the sons of God. Why? Is that bondage of corruption came through the first set of the sons of God, and then it will take another set of sons of God to restore the creature of God back to their original form of which God intends in his glory that his creature will be. So the creature is waiting. Yes. Oh my Jesus. Hi. The creatures are waiting for the manifestations of the sons of God. Who are the sons of God? We are the sons of God. So the day you arise is when the liberty of the creature of God is titled. If you postpone it to next 5 years, that is when it will start with you. But those that have taken up the battle, that know, oh my Jesus, we won't give ourselves to anything else than the restoration of the glory of God upon his creature. How it will start with them. Let us start from 21 again, like continue from 21. It says, because the creature itself also shall be delivered from the bondage of corruption into the glorious liberty of the children of God. Which means children of God also are victim of the bondage of corruption that was caused by the first sons of God. And then it will take the sons of God to arise and it began to journey in the pathway of the restoration of the glory of the Lord into the creature. Because the Bible said the children shall play with lion. They shall play with lion. Okay. But when corruption came, lion became white. God never created any white animal. Yes. It was because of they were affected by the corruption of which was initiated by the first sons of God. For we know that the whole creation groaneth and travaileth in pain together until now. Said, and not only they, but ourselves also, which have the first fruits of the Spirit, even ourselves grown within ourselves, waiting for the adoption, to wit, the redemption of our body. The earth groaneth, the earth travail. Kapinamato selimando. Manama. John said, I am the voice of the one. I am the voice of the one that cries in the wilderness, that cries yesterday, today, and forever. Which cry are you crying? Do you have a cry? The cry of John is groaning until the glory of God is restored. We won't stop crying. That is his cry. Are you crying? Are you groaning also with the creator of God? Are you groaning? Yes. Are you groaning? Are you groaning? Are you groaning? For we know that the whole creation groaneth and travaileth in pains together until now. Now let me give you an example of traveling. When a woman is in a labor, she's actually traveling. There is no advert you can bring to her that makes sense. Oh my Jesus. Kai. She travel until she succeeds. No advert can make sense in a year. You say, oh, I saw a lace. I saw a lace. You've been looking for it. She does not hear at that time. She does not know lace or Venza or mansion. She does not understand because she's traveling. Are you traveling? Are you traveling? Are you traveling? Are you traveling until you groan with the head? That is when that glory will be restored into mankind, into the creatures of God. Because he said, he said, but we ourselves also, which have the first fruit of the Spirit, even we ourselves grown within ourselves. Because the bondage of corruption shall be broken, and restorations shall come to the creation of the Lord, and we shall see his glory. Can you pray in the spirit?